What you thinking, Dad? We're out here at Jarrett Ford, Charlotte County, and we've waited a nice long 6 months for this. This is the 2022 Super Duty, the 7.3 Godzilla motor, blackout package. Did I mention it's a Lariat? All the bells and whistles we want, and this is just the beginning. Long bed, 8-foot, FX4 package, factory spray and bed liner, because you know, gotta have it.
That comes with the black.
How do we get here? "51 miles after the test drive." Purring like a kitten. Oh yeah, baby. Man, it's been a long time coming.